Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5 p.m. PDT. At 1:55 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Apple Valley, Lucerne Valley, and Highway 247 between Lucerne Valley and Barstow.
Alright. Crop the alert to this part right here. Be advised that there was a flash flood warning which activated all my weather radios before this alert came on for San Bernardino. So, yeah, that's going to be it for that part. But yeah, that's it.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Southern San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:45 p.m. PDT. At 2:37 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding from Yucca Valley east through Joshua Tree and Flintine and Palms, particularly across State Route 62. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes, and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include 29 Palms, Yucca Valley, Flintine and Palms Base, 29 Palms Airport, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eastern Anza, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza, Caldwell Indian Reservation, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Flash flood warning for the following county.
Another FFW. Wonder if you're gonna get an SVR or something. I was a bit late this time because my phone was. I'm still trying to get used to this new phone. 329. I missed it. Dang it. I missed. Did I get the one at 237? I don't know. Anyways, I think I should probably have my MPOD open at all times if I want to get alerts. Anyways, that is it for this flash flood warning. Hopefully you get more alerts today.
flood warning.